Hi, I'm Eva, and in today's video I bring you a topic that I love: minimalism. It's a lifestyle that seeks to focus on the essentials, getting rid of everything that we have too much, distracts us, or doesn't make us feel good. Minimalism is not only about having less stuff, but also about living more consciously and focusing on the essentials. I'm going to share with you 9 reasons why being minimalist can improve our lives. First of all, what's the minimalist lifestyle? It's a way of living more simply, reducing our material possessions in order to focus on what's really important in life. Minimalism goes beyond simply having less stuff. It's about constantly evaluating what objects, activities, or relationships really bring us value and happiness. It's a process of questioning our needs and wants and eliminating the superfluous to focus on the essential. This involves getting rid of objects we don't use, simplifying our daily routines, and seeking a healthier balance in our lives. Being a minimalist does not necessarily imply living in an empty house with only the essentials. It's about surrounding ourselves with things that really matter to us and makes us feel good. This lifestyle involves simplifying, getting rid of the unnecessary, and prioritizing what really matters to us. It's a path to a calmer, more balanced, and meaningful life. And now, here are 9 reasons to be a minimalist. Reason 1. You want to simplify your life. By reducing our possessions, we simplify our day-to-day life. Everything is lighter. By not having to worry about all our possessions, we free ourselves from a constant mental burden. Detachment from material possessions gives us a sense of freedom and peace of mind. Reason number 2, you need to save money. Adopting a minimalist approach leads us to question our purchases and really think about whether we need something before we buy it. This helps us avoid impulse purchases and spend only on what we really need, saving us money on the long run. Minimalism leads us to value quality over quantity. Instead of spending money on material things, we can allocate our financial resources to travel, activities, or learning, which gives us a much more lasting sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Reason 3, of mind. Reason number 3, you live with stress. Living in an uncluttered and organized environment helps us maintain calm and tranquility. When you have few things in your home, it gives you peace of mind. If your house is chaos, it's hard for your head not to be chaos. If when you go home your house is messy, dirty, all upside down, you don't feel good, it doesn't relax you. And when we free ourselves from clutter and the weight of material possessions, we feel lighter and more at peace. Minimalism helps us to free ourselves from the stress generated by excess possessions and allows us to enjoy a more peaceful life. By adopting this lifestyle, we seek to avoid the stress and anxiety that can be generated by the accumulations of unnecessary objects. According to studies, clutter and disorganization can cause anxiety. Reason number 4, you care about the environment. A very big problem today is that we consume too much, which generates pollution, greenhouse gases, and many environmental problems. When we consume less, we use fewer natural resources and reduce our ecological footprint. Reason 5, you want to be more creative. By clearing our physical spaces, we also clear our visual and mental field, which gives us a calm environment that is more conducive to focusing on our creative projects. By reducing external distractions and eliminating mental noise, we can focus on the creative activities that we are truly passionate about and want to invest our time and energy in. Reason number 6, you feel you never have enough time. By having less stuff, we need less time to organize and maintain it, allowing us to have more free time to do what we are really passionate about. By eliminating superfluous things, we ensure that our personal time is of quality and we enjoy activities that makes us feel really good. Also, being a minimalist is to say no to commitments that do not contribute to us. We do the things that are really important. Then our calendar will be less full of things we do not feel like doing, and we will have more free time. Reason number 7, you want to have more gratitude. With minimalism, we learn to appreciate what we have by not constantly looking for new acquisitions. We learn to appreciate the things we already own. Being a minimalist helps us to be more aware and appreciative of what we have instead of constantly looking for more. With minimalism, you enjoy the little things. Reason number 8, you want to live with consciousness. By eliminating distractions, we find time and space for reflection and self-awareness. With minimalism, our life becomes more aligned with our values and principles by living with less and being aware of our impact on the world. Many times we live on autopilot. We are not satisfied with our life, but we don't stop to ask ourselves what we are really looking for, what we're running towards. Minimalism allows us to stop and ask ourselves what are the important things in our life. Reason number 9, you want more freedom and mobility. By having fewer possessions, it's easier to move or make changes in our life without complications. By not being tied to material possessions, we can move and travel more easily. These are just a few of the many reasons why being a minimalist can improve our lives. I hope it has inspired you to consider this lifestyle or to continue being one if you already are. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content related to minimalism and wellness. Thank you so much for joining me in this video and see you in the next one.